Apples cost 75 cents per pound and oranges are 59 cents per pound. If Gwen bought 6.4 pounds of apples and 8.3 pounds of oranges, how much did she pay? So we've got to figure out how much she paid for each of these fruit and then add them together. I'm going to go ahead and color code these because I can. So I'm going to go with apples. The apples, she bought 6.4 pounds of apples and it's 75 cents per pound. So let's multiply. 5 times 4 is going to be 20. 6 times 5 is 30 plus the 2 is 32. Moving on, I put down a placeholder 0. 4 times 7 is going to be 28. Carry the 2. 6 times 7 is 42 plus the 2 is 44. Adding, I get 0, 0, 8, and 4. I have 4,800. That's a lot to pay for 6 pounds of apples. So I do realize there should be 3 numbers behind the decimal. So 1, 2, and 3, and that is 4.8. Now with money, we always go to 2 places behind the decimal. So this is actually $4.80 for the apples. Now we're going to go on to the oranges. The oranges, she bought 8.3 pounds of oranges at a cost of 59 cents per pound. And we'll multiply. 3 times 9 is going to be 27. Carry the 2. 8 times 9 is going to be 72. Plus the 2 is 74. I'm moving on, so I put a place value 0 down. 5 times 3 is 15. I'll carry the 1. 8 times 5 is 40. Plus the 1 is 41. I'm going to add 7, 9, 8, and 4. Again, I do have 3 numbers behind the decimal, so I will have 3 numbers behind the decimal in my answer. So I have 4.897. Now, again, with money, we round to 2 places behind the decimal. So I'm going to look, and the 7 tells me to go up. So 89 is actually going to become $4.90. The question is, though, how much did she pay? So we're going to add these together. I have $4.90 for the oranges, $4.80 for the apples, making sure that I line up those decimals one on top of each other. 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 8 is 17. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is going to be 9. So she paid $9.70.